customer.
I'm gonna call Benny.
Hello, hello. What?
So you know your local and a daily customer, you know?
Yes.
He recently has been going to your shop a lot every day, and he's been buying a lot of stuff. So he only has $1 more in his bank account.
Wait. My.
Yeah.
Yes. Wait. Yes. The dollhouse change. Yeah. 2,000 million. Okay. Yes. Okay. What? Okay. No. I have to change. This is your money for it.
Okay. This is a meeting for the mall. And the bank.
A meeting for the mall and the bank.
Pretend that he and Galaxy is not there.
Yeah. No, he's there too.
Yeah, just pretend.
Where's Galaxy?
We'll have a meeting with Galaxy.
I see what Ali.
I'll let water in mine.
Me too.
I have water in mine.
Water too.
I'll put water in mine. Whoever want water, give me the rest. Wait, after this,
I need water. Everybody.
I don't have.
Ủa rồi à, sao trâu đến tao không được chăng á? Để bị anh này nè.
Under that, I'll do it now. Okay, a meeting.
It's a meeting. Ali, why do you take a lot of money from the bank and buy a lot of toy in my store? I like toys, so I can buy other. Look, my toy right there. You Baba?
I know. But since you have a lot, you only have $1 more in your bank account. And so you're kind of poor.
And you kind of wish you were money.
So you might go homeless. Because in order to live, you need to pay.
You want
the
to get a
house rent.
police list.
Yeah, and then you'll kind of end up on the streets.
Yeah.
Did you got fired? I think he had. You need a new job quick, or else
I can pick a new job for you. You can go clean the bathroom. If you clean the bathroom, they get you more money.
I think your dad is filming. I think your dad is filming us.
You have to clean up.
No, wait, your dad is literally filming us. The camera's right there. I think we made these toilets.